If you want to see your notification history on your iPhone, this quick guide will walk you through everything you need to enable. First, launch your settings, then navigate to the option notification. Here you're going to find all the apps. Make sure notifications are enabled for the apps you want to receive alerts from. Open any individual app settings and turn on allow notification. Then check that immediate delivery is enabled as well under the alert style. Turn on lock screen, notification center and banners, and make sure sound and badges are toggled on too. Once you're done, go back and scroll up to display as action. Set this to list so your notification appear in a grouped, easy to read format. Now whenever you receive a notification, you can see your notification history by waking your iPhone and simply swiping down from the top left corner of your screen. This will show you all recent notifications in one place, and that's how you can easily view your notification history on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.